I have a gunite pool that has been painted. If I choose to do eco-finish over the surface, can you explain a little bit more what having a painted gunite pool finish does as far as the eco-finish process?
Okay. So once you paint a pool, you've now put an impervious surface over the concrete, over the pores of the concrete. And that paint no longer allows the epoxies and things that need to be used in eco-finish to penetrate into and lock into the concrete itself. What has to happen if you want to do eco-finish in a painted gunite pool is the paint has to be removed. Typically that's soda blasting, walnut blasting, sand blasting. It has to be stripped. You can't chip it out because we need the surface that's underneath. If you were having the pool replastered, one of the options is to chip the surface out and then you plaster a whole new finish over the whole, the rough coat. But in this case, we need that smooth finish to work from and to build the eco-finish up and over that. So it really has to be, like I said, sandblasted or some other methodology like that. It could be soda blasted, it could be walnut, any other materials that they might use to blast the finish off. But we still need the integrity of the surface to be good. And the reason being is once the paint's gone, then we prep the concrete finish, whatever the plaster is, we acid wash it to open up the pores of the concrete. So that once those pores are open, we can put, it's a 50-50 mix of acetone and epoxy, roll that on, and what that does is that soaks into the concrete, soaks into those pores, and it pulls that epoxy into the pores of the concrete. Then another layer of epoxy goes on, that locks the concrete to that middle mix, to the epoxy mix, and then the eco-finish is shot, the powder is shot directly into that epoxy. So now you have a seamless, right from concrete, right to final finish, you've got a seamless transition from 3 different materials. So that's why you can't do it with the paint there, because the paint is going to prevent anything from attaching, and within a short order of time it'll all start falling off.